What's up, everybody? I'm Smitty, and this is my home. All right, welcome to the crib. This is a 2003 Chevy Express van. This is a very low budget version of those $80,000 Sprinter vans that you see all over social media. Same idea, same lifestyle, but this is what I had to do to make it happen for me. It's not the most aesthetically Instagrammable van, but that's sort of by design. From the outside, it looks like a typical work van you'd see every day. I even put a safety vest and a hard hat in the front so people don't even think that this is a camper van. There is a vent fan and some solar panels on the top, but unless you know what you're looking for, most people don't even notice. One of the questions I get asked a lot is, where do I park? And because it looks like a work van, I can get away with parking anywhere. Literally anywhere. It's amazing the power of a hard hat and a safety vest. I've been living in this thing full time for the past year in 15 different states, places like Wyoming, Utah, Washington, California. It's allowed me to experience so many beautiful places and live this amazing lifestyle. All right, let me give you the full tour. The major drawback, as you can see, is I can't stand up in this thing, but I have this emergency toilet here that surprisingly I haven't had to use yet, that doubles as a seat and triples as a laundry basket. It's super important to make the most out of the limited space you have in a van. So for the kitchen area, I have a full sink with running water, just on a $20 Amazon USB rechargeable water pump. And it just works by the click of a button, or it even has a cup fill feature. I've seen so many van builds where people use hand pumps or water pumps for their water system, and that just doesn't make a lot of sense to me when this is really cheap, really efficient. I've only had to charge it like maybe once or twice the whole year I've lived in this. The water system's super simple. It's just a 5-gallon freshwater tank that's connected to the pump, and then the sink drains into a 7-gallon tank so it never overflows and I don't have to have a mess. I really only use the sink for like washing dishes or brushing my teeth, so I only have to fill up like once or twice a month. And then next to the sink is a fruit hammock, because every single van tour video I've ever seen has one of these. So if you want to be cool, fruit hammock. Up here I have just a paper towel holder, one cabinet for food, one cabinet for toiletries and extra cups, kind of my bathroom area, I guess. Both cabinets have what's called a gas strut on it, so it automatically opens and stays up, and then closes on an eye hook so it doesn't come open while I'm driving down the road. I also have a mini fridge down here. When I'm staying in cities like I am right now, I eat out a lot, so it's just pretty much coffee, milk, and kombucha, because I'm about that life. Some counter space for working on my laptop or cooking food. I have a 2-burner stove on the side here that I mostly use outside, but I have cooked inside a few times, which is why I installed this vent fan. So when I'm cooking in here, it can suck all the air out, or if it's hot out, it can blow cool air in. Under the bed, I'm able to store extra kitchen stuff, clothes, camera gear. Along with all the storage underneath the bed, I also built this little cubby here to store jumper cables, camping gear, hammocks, ropes, stuff like that. So there's a decent amount of storage for such a little van. On the side of the bed here, we have 2 closets. One is for t-shirts, towels. I even have a suit in here, just in case. And this closet is all the electrical. There's 3 100-watt solar panels on the roof that charge a 200 amp hour battery. The inverter charges my fridge, the lights, charges my phone, computer, drone, all that. And the fuse block powers the vent fan, an outlet in the back, and still has the option to hook up other things if I needed to. It's not very nice to look at, so I had to cover it up. And they're held together by hair ties. Not too fancy. And then we have the couch slash bed slash even bigger bed for when it's not just me sleeping in here. It sleeps me very comfortably, 2 comfortably, and max capacity I found out is 3 people and 2 dogs. Not comfortable, but possible. And that's pretty much it. That's all I need. It's honestly more than I need. If van life is something you're interested in, don't be thinking it's only high top $80,000 Mercedes Sprinters. Obviously those are nice, but that's not the point of the lifestyle. Let me know if you have any questions about me or about the van or van life in general. Leave a comment on this video or DM me on Instagram. I'll try to leave as many links below to all the stuff I use on the van in case you want to build one too. I would highly recommend it. I'm also going to leave a link to my Patreon account, so if you want to support me there and keep the dream alive, you can. Or if you enjoyed this video, like it, subscribe, send it to your friends. It costs $0 to support me that way, and I would really appreciate it. Thanks for watching. I'm excited to keep living and traveling in the van, making more memories and more videos. See you in the next one.